Top 10. Best Pool Lounge Chairs, can be a center for fun and relaxation. On hot days, a dip in the pool can bring cool comfort. Number 10. JETIME Chaise Pool Frame and Durable P Rattan Wicker. It is durable for long time use. It has an adjustable backboard with 5 positions. Some assembly is required, but instructions are provided, and it is easy to assemble. Please read the product description clearly, especially the product size and what it includes. Rust resistant. Durable. Assembly required. Number 9. Sport-Brella 3-position, you to sit up or lay back. You can even put your feet up with the detachable footrest. It offers UPF 50+ protection and has a built-in insulated pocket, so that refreshments can be at your fingertips. It is lightweight, strong, and easy to store. With Sport-Brella, 3 positions. UPF 50+ protection. Lightweight. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Pool Lounge Chairs or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Homall 3-piece patio set is all-weather resistant for year-round use. It has a P-rattan and rust-resistant steel frame. The lounge chairs easily fold down for convenience and storage. They are made of high-quality material and have a fully padded cushion. They have a multifunctional use for all outdoor spaces. 3-piece set. Fully padded cushion. Multifunctional use. Number 7. Portal Folding Camping Cot. Positions that are easily adjustable. It is higher than regular chairs, so you sit further off the ground. This is perfect for easily getting in and out of the lounge chair. It comes with an adjustable pillow for added comfort. It is portable and can be folded into a compact size. 4 reclining positions. Sits higher off the ground. Portable. Number 6. Do For You Adjustable Chaise Relaxation. It has multiple reclining positions, including fully reclined. It is sturdy and crafted with a strong steel frame. The all-weather polyethylene wicker is functional and attractive. It is weatherproof and UV protected. It can be stacked with other lounges. Multiple reclining positions. Steel frame. Weatherproof. Number 5. Outime Set Patio Furniture, resistant steel frame and durable, weather-resistant P-rattan wicker. It will last through years of use. The lounge chair has an adjustable back and foldable legs for easy stacking and assembly. It has cushions included to add to your comfort too. Garden lounge chair have 4 colors cushions allow. Rust resistant. Weather resistant. Cushions included. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Pool Lounge Chairs or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Kozyard KozyLounge Adjustable. It has a blend of mesh and polyester cloth on an aluminum frame for durability and strength. It is very comfortable because the canvas adapts to their body. The material is also breathable, and the adjustable backrest has 4 levels of customization for comfort. It is elegant with a modern and clean look. Breathable. Adjustable. Stackable. Number 3. Rio Beach Portable Folding is a backpack chair that can lay completely flat. It has padded adjustable shoulder straps to easily carry it anywhere you go. The steel frame has a storage pouch on the back of the lounger for protection and convenience. Anyone can use the chair because it has a 300-pound weight capacity. Carry like a backpack. Shoulder straps. Lays completely flat. Number 2. Best Choice Products Zero, dirty and UV resistant. It has a 250-pound weight capacity with a strong mesh. It has a lockable reclining system which will easily glide the chair into position. The elastic cords are easily replaceable and immediately adjust to your body. They have a convenient cup holder tray that can be detached. Zero gravity. UV resistant. Foldable. Number 1. Kozyard Cosy Aluminum Reclining. It has an ergonomic design and padded sling seat. For maximum comfort, it has 5 adjustable back positions. This pool chair lounger has a lightweight aluminum frame that is durable. It has UV resistant and breathable textiline fabric. 5 adjustable back positions. Textiline fabric. Easy to clean and maintain. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best Pool Lounge Chairs or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts.